Welcome to my 5-minute yoga a day. Today we're going to be focusing on opening up the heart center because we're all going to offices, going to work in the morning, and we're going to be hunched over our desks. So this is the time to really open up the chest and send our heart upwards. So inhale and exhale out. Take a bend in the knees as you inhale. And then as you exhale up, just maybe come into an extended Tadasana. So exhale out, pushing those hips forward. Inhale, hinge forward at the hips and bend the knees, relax the neck down into our forward fold. Breathe deeply here. Inhale up into our half forward fold, opening that chest, lifting the sternum. Exhale, back down. Inhale, step back, or if you want to take a jump, you can do into high plank. Breathe here. Inhale, push that tailbone up into downward facing dog. And just relax the neck from side to side. Take a bend in the knee, pedal those feet up and down. And just enjoy having this nice stretch. Inhale, just raise up the right leg and start lifting it up and down. So you're coming into three-legged dog, but then just bring it back down and up again. And then just drop that heel over that hip and open up the hips and the chest. Back down into downward facing dog. Take a big inhale here. Take up the other leg and repeat this with this leg. Again, just drop that heel over the hip, really opening up that heart center, but also the hips. Swing that left leg to the top of the mat. Just find your foundation, root that foot down. Inhale, float the arms up into our low lunge. Exhale the arms into our twist. So come towards the right hand side first of all. Breathe deeply here. Exhale the arms up. Inhale, just bring the arms forward. And exhale back. Open up to the other side into our low lunge twist. Inhale, bring those hands either side of the foot and push back again, downward facing dog. This time try and root the heels a little bit deeper to the mat and really engage those quads and engage that tailbone. Inhale, drop the knees, exhale back into our child's pose. So let's just take a couple of deep breaths here. Again, push that heart center towards the floor. Inhale, raise the arms up to the sky, lift the sternum, push the hips forward, and lower the hands down to the small of the back. So just place them in the lower back. Push that pelvis forward. Inhale the arms up, and if you feel you want to take it a little bit further today in your practice, come into camel's pose, because this is a wonderful heart opener. And then just inhale the hands back to your heart center and come into hero's pose just by opening the knees, or you can stay kneeling. So thank you so much for watching today. I do hope you've enjoyed the video, and don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends.